My topic for this course project was muscle myoglobin content in harbor porpoises of the Pacific Northwest. My research question is the muscle myoglobin content in harbor porpoises higher or lower in adults than subadult porpoises? My data source came from the Northwest Fisheries Science Center, and the way that the data was collected was by taking tissue samples from deceased harbor porpoises and measuring the levels of muscle myoglobin in different ages. I chose to focus on adult and subadult harbor porpoises. I did a sample size of 5 adults and 5 subadults, and the mean for the 5 adults was 2.15832, standard deviation 1.0067, the minimum 1.26684, the Q1 1.78296, the median 2.19351, the Q3 2.55714, and the maximum 2.99115. The mean for the 5 subadults, 2.812854, the standard deviation, 0.8962, the minimum 2.00583, the Q1 2.61579, the median 3.0498, the Q3 3.15537, the maximum 3.23748. And these are my graphs. The lower limit for adults was 28.8783035277, and the upper limit for adults was 33.1949435277. The lower limit for subadults was 28.2237695277, and the upper limit for subadults was 33.8494775277. The confidence intervals above tell me that the population mean of muscle myoglobin content in adult harbor porpoises is between 28.8783035277 and 33.1949435277. And the population mean of muscle myoglobin content in subadult harbor porpoises is between 28.2237695277 and 33.8494775277. For my hypothesis test, the null hypothesis was the muscle myoglobin content is the same in both adult and subadult harbor porpoises. And the alternative hypothesis was the muscle myoglobin content is higher in subadult harbor porpoises. The significance level was 0.05, the test statistics 1.0812, the p-value 0.3405. In conclusion for this study, I would reject the null hypothesis, and the reason for this is because the significance level is greater than the p-value, meaning there is substantial evidence to support the alternative hypothesis. Thank you very much.